Hi, my name is Rodrigo. Today I'm going to talk about the PSA, which stands for Pre-Stretched Assembly. As the EnvisionTEC Perfectory machine prints your part, the PSA will pull straight up in a Z-height axis motion. When I pull the demonstration part, you'll notice that the corners will release, moving toward the center of the part. As the separation film stretches, the PSA releases the part using axis separation. The pre-stretched assembly is ideal for large parts with surface areas that exceed 5 mm.